Mary, I can't figure out how to improve our efficiency. Our opposition is so much better.
Oh Frank, you need KnowNow Manufacturing Intelligence by TechCubed.
Fear not, Frank. KnowNow is here to make sense of the manufacturing madness. You see, with the power of automatic OEE capturing, I keep tabs on availability, performance, and quality.
It's like having a 24/7 efficiency watchdog.
And just like that. Look at those OEE numbers climbing.
Mary, you're absolutely right. With KnowNow, we can actually understand our efficiency.
And it records everything automatically.
Mr. Johnson, thanks to the incredible KnowNow system, we're seeing significant improvements in our manufacturing efficiency.
Frank, this is fantastic news. Keep up the good work.
Frank, KnowNow is like an extra helping hand.
Yeah, and it automatically captures all the data, so we don't have to guess anymore.
Thanks to our trusty KnowNow manufacturing intelligence system, we've turned our manufacturing chaos into an efficiency masterpiece.
Don't let inefficiency be your arch-nemesis. Embrace the power of automatic OEE capturing with KnowNow manufacturing intelligence hardware by TechCubed, and turn manufacturing mayhem into efficiency triumphs.